Get out of here. No, you can't lick my face. No, you can't lick my face. No. Hey, be quiet. No. Come on, stop it. Stop it. What are you doing? You're getting trash again. Come on, let go. That is so disgusting. No. What are you doing? Stop following me. What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop it! Get out of the trash! You would never leave me. Gracie, come on! Put the trash down! Ew! Oh my gosh! You're a bad girl! I told you not to mess with that trash! Now look! You're gonna go in the cage again! What are you doing? Get out of here! Yeah, come here! I think you need a timeout. You need a timeout. Why do you keep getting in the trash? No, why do you keep getting in the trash? Get out of here. No. Sit. Can't believe you getting in the trash. No, you don't get in the trash. Look at me when you're talking. No. Look at me. Don't butt scoot either. Stop eating trash. I know what you're doing over there. Look at what she's doing. No, stop it. Give me the trash. She keeps eating trash. Oh my goodness. Look at this trash. Are there any more trash anywhere? The only trash left is you, Gracie. It's you. Excuse me, Gracie. Gracie. Stop eating the trash.